So what Retina.js said that it would do is it would check every image and it would look on the server for a version that had the appendix @2x. Now that @2x comes from a convention in iOS where you could save the icons for the different apps at different resolutions, and they used an @2x for Retina displays, and then the original file for the low resolution displays. If we zoom in here so we can see the edges of our images, you can see that both of these have equal resolution. That's because the original low resolution version is being replaced by the high density version. Now, if we didn't want our site to ping the server for every image, we could supply some information inside of the image tag. So if we jumped over to the GitHub page and we scrolled up to the how it works, it says that we can add this attribute, data-alt2x, to point to the Retina image whenever there is one. So if we copy this attribute and we went over to our code, and we added the attribute to our low resolution, and we scrolled up to the top where our images are, and we added this attribute to our low resolution version. Again, we're going to point to the logo @2x here. And then we did the same thing for our high resolution version, and we saved this, and we went back to our example and refreshed. The number of 404 errors would be reduced down to 1, which is just for this search form here. And we could fix that by adding the data2x to it and just pointing to the original file. And if we refresh, all of our errors are gone.